Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Cricket Icon 6, the budget smartphone from Cricket Wireless. We're going to cover everything from its specs to the pricing offers that might make this your next phone. Let's get into it. The Cricket Icon 6 brings a simple, sturdy design. Plastic build, lightweight. And of course that classic 35mm headphone jack. It's what you'd expect from a budget phone, but it doesn't feel cheap in hand. The Cricket Icon 6 features a 6.75-inch HD Plus TFT display with a 90Hz refresh rate. That refresh rate really stands out for smoother scrolling and video playback. Even at this budget price point, it may not be full HD, but for daily use, watching YouTube, browsing the web, it gets the job done. Under the hood, you've got a 23 GHz MediaTek Helio P35 processor with 4 GB of RAM. That's enough to handle basic tasks like browsing, messaging, and even some light gaming without hiccups. Plus, it runs on the latest Android 14, giving you access to the newest features and security updates. You also get 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB with a microSD card. But keep in mind, as PhoneScoop points out, 128 GB of expandable storage is on the low end for 2024. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main shooter on the rear with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. You also get an 8-megapixel selfie camera. Both front and rear cameras support 1080p HD video recording, which is decent for a phone in this range. Powering the Cricket Icon 6 is a 5000 mAh battery, so you're looking at a full day of use. No problem. Plus, it supports 10W fast charging. It's not the quickest, but for the price, you'll have enough juice to get you through. Here's a perk. The Cricket Icon 6 comes with a 2-year warranty, exclusive to Cricket Wireless. That's rare for a budget phone, and it gives you some extra peace of mind. Now let's talk pricing, because this is where things get interesting. The Cricket Icon 6 is free when you bring your number to Cricket Wireless and activate a new line with a minimum 55-month voice plan. Of course, the first month service charge and tax are due at sale, but still, a solid deal if you're porting in. However, if you're an existing Cricket Wireless customer, the phone costs $29,999. But there's a catch: you'll need a minimum 30-month voice plan and pay a $25 upgrade fee. Full retail price for the Cricket Icon 6 is $89.99, which still makes it a super affordable option for those in need of a basic but capable phone. And let's not forget, the phone also has NFC for tap-to-pay services like Google Pay and covers all the basics with 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 50. So, is the Cricket Icon 6 worth it? If you're switching to Cricket, the free phone offer with a qualifying plan makes it a great budget option, especially with the 2-year warranty for existing customers. The $29.99 price still offers good value, despite the upgrade fee. Please rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to never miss an upload.